Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Chablee. Now, I've never done a video like this before. This is actually bringing back a video that I made 3 years ago. Yeah, this video. What a crazy title. How to get pregnant at 36 years old. I am now 39. Yes, 39 and looking fine. So yeah, 36 years old, first time getting pregnant. Really didn't think I could get pregnant, but I got pregnant, and this video had some really great tips on how to get pregnant. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I apologize for it not being 4K, but this is a good video. I had to bring it back to y'all. So enjoy, and please leave comments down below if you have any questions or anything about it. And I had 2 kids after doing this video, following these steps.
Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified when I have more videos. Follow me on Instagram at Chablee Hair Journey, and my jewelry line is Chablee.com.
How to get pregnant faster. I'm going to tell you all the details, everything you need to do to get pregnant. I did. I'm 36 years old. I'm on my 2nd trimester, and I had a difficult time to get pregnant. You should purchase this. It's called Clear Blue. Get it from Target, Walmart. It's very affordable. Well, not too affordable, but it's like $30 or $20. It matters how many you get. Get an ovulation app. Down below, I'll talk about all the apps you can upload on your phone to track your period. From 10 days to 20 days, somewhere in there after the first day of your period, when you count it, you might be a 10 days after your first day of your period, or 20 days first day of your period. You're going to ovulate somewhere in there if you get a period. And I'm talking to you ladies that have a period. So once you figure that out, and you don't have to go to no doctor, no specialist to figure that out. You could just pee on a little stick. When the stick shows smiley face, you're at your high peak. When it's like a smiley face with circle around it, as you see right there, then you're at your high peak. And the low peak is just a plain circle, no smiley face. And it's very easy, simply to use. The instructions are in the package. This is going to help you figure out your ovulation day. You should be intimate 2 days before you ovulate, or the day of your ovulate. Sometimes you're ovulating for like a day and a half or 24 hours. Each person's different, but you will be ovulating, hopefully. This is kind of disgusting, so kids, please don't listen. Or something like that. Anyway, so when you do ovulate, you call your man, you contact him, you make it happen. And you know what I mean. Make it happen. And lay your ass down for at least 20 minutes. Try to not pee, relax, take a nap. And ding, you'll have something in the belly. Now that was just like one step that helped. On top of that, I surrounded myself, I'm a bit of a gypsy girl, so I surround myself with like a bunch of crystals. You got your amethyst here, has like really good healing properties, and it attracts like positive energy, and it's great for fertility. Same thing with moonstone that I wear all the time. You could purchase them at Chablee.com, of course. And you got to take all your vitamins. Women's multiple vitamins will really help, because you have to balance out your hormones, make sure you're not lacking any vitamins. Take your fertility vitamins. I'll talk about what to take. And I took them for 2 months. And just keep thinking positive, and have a healthy diet, work out, do not stress yourself, drink plenty of water, and slow down all that sugar. All those are your key things. And for the men, you could sneak something called Maca. You could buy it from any Whole Food store. I'll have a link to that, and you sneak that in the food for your guy, for his sperm to be a little stronger. And that's going to work. So yeah, fertility vitamins are highly recommended. I am not a doctor, not a nurse, nothing like that. So, I mean, it's cool if you don't want to listen to me or not, but this is free information I'm giving you, ladies. And I took my fertility vitamins for exactly almost 90 days, 60 days for sure, but off and on. So that vitamin right there, I purchased it twice. So I think it's like, I'll have to look at the package again. But anyway, that's what I did for me. And, you know, I made that my mental state was a part, you know, with my physical body state. So that means I was exercising, drinking water, trying to stay stress-free, taking fertility vitamins, making sure I have enough vitamin C, eating my fruits and vegetables, staying away from processed food, fried food, and sweets. Yeah. And I was doing a lot of other things trying to get my hair to grow too. So it was a double whammy. And this other vitamin that I'm showing right there, now that one, I probably am going to pronounce it wrong, but I call it Sazandra. It is like a beauty vitamin. It's for your skin, hair, and nails, and it helps your fertility. I only taken this one off and on for 1 week. It can, yeah, I mean, if you take it for a long period of time, it says it on the label that it can do something to your liver or whatever like that. So I didn't, you know, take it for a long period of time. Probably no more than like 50 days, 60 days, somewhere around in there, off and on. It makes you, yeah, I'm talking about down there. It makes it very moist down there. So by it being moist, it helps the little swimmers to swim and live longer and last in there. You know, I'm not using no doctor terms or anything, but y'all ladies know what I mean. I'm trying to keep this PG. So that helps, and it just helps the intimacy, you know, between you and your partner. It's a little bit expensive vitamin, you know. I think I paid like $29, $30 for it, so I don't know what the price is now, but I'll put the link down below where to get it from. And so this is my second baby, Shakai, you guys. My firstborn is Shaddai. I always show her Instagram. He is only 5 months old. I had him at 38 years old, borderline almost 39, so I had both of them before I hit 40, and I'm so happy about that. So I really hope you guys use all these tips I'm giving you and the vitamins, and, you know, just think positive, be positive, and attract positive energy, and bless you all, and I wish a happy, healthy family and a successful pregnancy journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, even though it's an older video. It's all good. You know, give it a thumbs up. And see y'all next time for my next video. Bye. Say bye. Say I see you guys later. I see you later. Say I'm Shakai. Say I'm Shakai. And I want to say bye. And I want to say bye.